Dining set alert. Hubby is doing what he knows best. Let's put this together. And look at what are you guys doing?
This is my cactus. There's nothing to change. This is my cactus, Shane. He's in this boxy.
That is your package, Shane. You mean your package?
Yeah.
You call my son your package.
That's the cheers, guys. Hi, guys. And today my dad bought the cheers. That's what the cheers thing. And this is how it looks like. They're so beautiful. And it's because my papa. We're so grateful. Guys, wait on my chair. Are you waiting on us? What about me? You're wasting your time.
What about you? Presses. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product once it's ready. For now, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna keep you guys posted.
Yeah.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
Rush.
Yeah.
Asha. I said, I all day. Baby, Asha. Baby, I'm not sure. Now you make that first step in chuchu or na agenda.
Which was that?
That one is so now you can. Okay, I trust the process. Someone, Asha, baby, thank you guys so much. Welcome to another episode with Cardin Family. So, guys, today we are setting up the chairs. Now, what's in the window? Almost ready.
Well, I like it. I like it black and white. No black and white. That nothing else.
Countertops to it. Yeah. My love.
Wow. Whoa. Can I try? Can I try?
No.
Can I try?
Only Chanel can try.
About me?
No, about me. Not really.
Can someone hold me? I feel we'll just fall down. I think could do me.
Yeah, you're gonna say please to uncle.
You cannot try.
You put that thing on that.
Yes. That's enough. It's correction.
It's the first one, guys. This is how it looks like.
Yes.
This is for the countertop.
This is that means.
No.
No one's spin the
Italian.
God!
Italian. Yes.
God! Help me!
Hobby is still with number one. Why my brother is already done.
No.
And the other one we can move you faster.
I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, how it looks like. But so far this looks so good. I love it. And it is adjustable as well.
Outside.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode with Cardi Family. Today hubby is about to set up our dining. So these are the chairs that we got. Hubby and my brothers did this already. So today he's just trying to like put this together. I think this is one part of it. I'm gonna be showing you guys the full process. And And of course, Shani is there to help Daddy.
Papa, take it to the thing outside.
Guys, if I show you the mess that they have made outside, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like there's mess everywhere. That's Susie Shani sitting on the floor.
Can I help you, Daddy?
Yeah, I think I'm done everything. But take those things outside. That's all you can do for me. Take one of those things outside.
And that's your girl, baby Skyra. No, we're working here. Unfortunately, we can't come outside. Sorry. Ooh. What are those, baby?
It's to attach the stand.
Okay.
I think it's
The screw.
yeah, 4 of them.
Table, another table we have two now.
It's the first thing that you're supposed to install. This, then second this, then third this. For those who have plans to get it, I hope this is gonna make it easy for you to be able to install it.
Yeah, I'll need your help with this one.
Okay.
Go on the other side.
Bring it up. Slowly. Slowly. Go back. No, please. Okay, again.
Oh, come on, so what's in this?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, shift, you have to shift it. Support the thing, hold it.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the feet piece. So if you get this, I hope this makes it easy for you to install it. That's the purpose for this video. And this is how it looks like. Do we have to lift it up now?
No, we have to screw it.
Okay. So guys, for those who don't know, this table is kind of like adjustable. You can make it fit your taste. If you want it enclosed, you can do it. If you want to pull it out, you can do it. I'm going to show you guys once we're done with everything. So now our hubby is about to like do some scrolling, and I will keep you guys posted. But so far so good. I like it. Like one physician said, I like it. I know you're gonna like it too. And once you do that, you're gonna have this to scroll it up. So basically he has put in 3 things inside. The first round, the second, third, and now the thicker one, then the scrolling. Yeah, this is the last step, guys. So we just have to like flip it over. It's pretty much so simple. So the first thing was this. The second were the 4 screws, and the third thing was this. Then the feet, he had to put in this. The seat, he had to do this. Then 7, 8, 9, he did the 3 stuff that he put inside. And the 10th thing, it's just scrolling. Then we just have to flip it up for you guys to see it. Guys, that's cryos shouting. That's them. If I show you what they have done, if I show you the floor, like they're playing with these things, they have like everywhere is so messy. In fact, let me show you guys. Guys, look at the floor. We asked them to carry these, and see, that's them. See, that's. Why are you crying again? Why are you screaming? She's always crying, guys. Always crying. If we find anybody crying, you will find Skyra crying. Trust me, for no good reason, Skyra will cry and cry.
No.
And that's her crying. Ask her why is she crying again?
I don't know.
Okay. But one of those chairs, I can see the zip stuff is out.
Yeah, we need to go.
I think you did not zip it up when you made it. So guys, we're gonna be having they're actually
It's actually cool.
yeah, it's pretty cool, like so cool. And Hobby didn't want anything that would be too congested in the house. So Hobby still has to like arrange all of this. Then I'll show you guys the full setup. But so far, I can tell you for a fact that I love it. It looks cool. There is so much space. This is what Hobby wanted. He wanted space, as in space. And we got the space. So if you don't want to eat here, you can eat on the countertop. That is cool. Hi, handsome. What do you want to say to our friends? Hi. Mommy and Daddy. It is called a dining table. I love it. I love this. It's so cool. This and this. I just love it.
Mommy.
And this.
Look.
And this can be reduced.
Mommy.
It can be extended.
Look.
I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like.
Mommy.